Bounces are automated messages from a receiving mail server that inform you about a delivery problem. Managing your bounced email addresses to either remove them or fix them is an important step in creating a high-performing, clean list. To find the bounced messages from your most recent campaign, find your campaign and then click on the hyperlinked number. Then, click the drop-down and select Bounced. Your bounced emails are categorized based on the message we got from the receiving server. Let's go over the different types of bounces. Non-existent. These bounces happen when the contact's internet service provider says that an email address doesn't exist. Kind of like the post office saying there's no one with that name in the building. Suspended. Suspended email addresses have already bounced as non-existent multiple times and have been put on a hold. Undeliverable. Undeliverable email addresses are like getting a busy signal on your phone. When we tried to send the email, the ISP didn't respond. Blocked. When an email address is blocked, the ISP decided not to deliver it, likely because it thought the email was spam. Mailbox full. This bounce happens when an inbox is too full to continue receiving new email messages. Vacation or auto reply. While the email has been delivered, this bounce message just lets you know that your contact may not see it for a while. Other. Sometimes an ISP doesn't use a standard error message when they send back the bounce response code. When that happens, we categorize it as Other. You can look at your bounces by category using the drop-down box here, or just scan the information in the bounce type column. Now it's time to decide what to do with your bounces. To start, review your contacts and look for any obvious typos. Once you've fixed any typos, it's time to decide which ones to remove. In general, any contacts in the recommended for removal category should be deleted as their status is unlikely to change. To delete these contacts, select the ones you want to remove or select all and then click Actions. From here, choose Delete. Then confirm you want to delete the contacts. Deleting contacts this way won't prevent them from being added back to your account in the future. If you want to unsubscribe these contacts, just click on a contact, click here, and choose to unsubscribe. Managing your bounced email addresses doesn't have to be a chore with Constant Contact.